Hello everybody, welcome back to HardReset.Info channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to easily download Bitwarden onto your PC. So first, what you guys want to do is enter the Google Chrome. So go over to any browser. I'm using the Google Chrome in this example. And now let's search for the Bitwarden. Here in the Bitwarden, as you guys can see, we will have it right here, either right up top or first you will see the two sponsored posts, and then you just need to scroll down until you guys see the Bitwarden site. So it's bitwarden.com. Now click on it here and go to downloads. After going into the downloads, first thing you will see is the web browser extensions. We want to scroll down until we see the desktop applications. So here we can download it for Windows, macOS or Linux, and as you guys can see, it's x64 only. It's fully supported with auto updates. Here you guys can install the snap and the flatpak. For example, for the macOS, you guys can install it right here. We've got the DMG file. And for the Windows, you will have the standard installer, portable app for flash drives without auto updates. And here we also have it from the Windows Store. So let's click on the standard installer. I think it's the best way of installing it. And as you guys can see, now it's done. Let's open it up. And here we will have our Bitwarden setup. So here we can choose whether we want to make this software available to all users or just us. So I always select only for me. Let's click on install. And now we need to download every single package and install it onto our PC. As you guys can see, the process is very fast. Now let's enable run Bitwarden and let's click finish. So as you guys can see, we have Bitwarden on our PC right now. And that's basically how you guys can install it. So I hope this video helped you. If it did, then leave a like, subscription and a comment, and I'll see you in the next one.